For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a gutter cleaning business can be a lucrative and manageable venture with relatively low startup costs and consistent demand, especially in residential and commercial areas prone to heavy rain or leaf buildup. Leveraging free AI tools can streamline your planning, marketing, and operational processes, helping you launch efficiently and with confidence. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, from idea to execution, highlighting useful AI tools and example prompts to make your journey smoother. Step 1. Research the market and define your business model. Begin by gathering information about your local market to understand demand, competition, pricing, and customer preferences. Use free AI-powered research tools to analyze local demographics, weather patterns, and competitor offerings. For instance, ChatGPT can help you create a structured market analysis by summarizing local data you provide or help you generate questions to guide your research. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Help me create a market research summary for starting a gutter cleaning business in your city. Include local weather trends, target customer segments, and competitor analysis. Step 2. Write a business plan. Your business plan should cover your service offerings, pricing strategy, marketing plan, startup costs, revenue projections, and goals. Free AI tools like ChatGPT can help draft your business plan by guiding you through each section with tailored prompts. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Create a detailed business plan outline for a small gutter cleaning business, including services, pricing, marketing strategies, startup costs, and financial projections. Step 3. Register your business and obtain necessary permits. Depending on your location, you may need to register your business name, obtain licenses or permits, and purchase insurance. Use AI tools to generate checklists and reminders to ensure you comply with all local regulations. For example, ChatGPT can help you draft emails or documents for registration or create to-do lists. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Generate a checklist for registering a gutter cleaning business in your state or country, including necessary permits, licenses, and insurance. Step 4. Set up your branding and online presence. A strong brand identity and online presence are crucial to attracting customers. Use free AI design tools such as Canva, which offers a free tier, to create logos, business cards, and social media posts. For website creation, tools like Wix or WordPress offer free options, and ChatGPT can assist in generating website content and SEO-friendly descriptions. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write a homepage introduction for a gutter cleaning business emphasizing reliability, affordability, and local expertise. Step 5. Develop a marketing plan. A well-planned marketing strategy will help you reach your target audience effectively. Use ChatGPT to draft marketing messages, email campaigns, social media posts, and even Google Ads copy. You can also generate ideas for promotions or referral programs. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Create a 30-day social media content calendar for a new gutter cleaning business targeting homeowners in your city. Include post ideas, captions, and hashtags. Step 6. Estimate startup costs and purchase equipment. Calculate the cost of essential equipment like ladders, gloves, safety gear, buckets, hand tools, and transportation. Free AI tools can help you draft a budget or compare different equipment options based on online data you provide. Use spreadsheets like Google Sheets, free, to track expenses and cash flow. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Help me create a budget estimate for starting a gutter cleaning business, listing necessary equipment, average costs, and recommended brands. Step 7. Set your pricing and service packages. Decide on competitive pricing based on your market research and costs. You may want to offer different packages, such as one-time cleaning, seasonal maintenance, or additional services like gutter repair. ChatGPT can help you draft pricing tables and service descriptions. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Creates service package descriptions and pricing suggestions for a gutter cleaning business targeting residential customers. Step 8. Build a customer management system. Keeping track of clients, appointments, and payments is vital for smooth operations. Use free CRM, customer relationship management, tools like HubSpot CRM or Google Sheets to organize customer information. AI chatbots, like ChatGPT integrated with messaging apps, can automate appointment scheduling and answer FAQs. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write a script for an AI chatbot that can handle gutter cleaning service inquiries and appointment bookings. Step 9. Launch your business and start getting customers. With your planning and setup done, it's time to launch. Use free AI tools to create targeted ads and promotional materials quickly. For local outreach, consider posting on community forums, social media groups, and local classifieds. Ask ChatGPT to draft introductory emails or messages to send to prospective clients or partners. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Draft an introductory email offering gutter cleaning services to local property managers and real estate agents. Step 10. Collect reviews and improve. Customer feedback is crucial to building trust and improving your services. After each job, request reviews on platforms like Google My Business or Yelp. You can use AI tools to draft polite and effective review request messages. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Write a follow-up message to thank customers and kindly ask them for a review after a gutter cleaning service. Step 11. Scale and automate. As your business grows, consider automating routine tasks using AI tools. Use scheduling apps integrated with AI chatbots to manage bookings automatically. AI tools like Zapier offers free tier, can connect your different apps to streamline workflows, such as syncing calendars, sending reminders, and managing invoices. Example, ChatGPT prompt. Suggest ways to automate customer appointment reminders and invoicing for a gutter cleaning business using free AI and online tools. Conclusion. Starting a gutter cleaning business using free AI tools can reduce the time, effort, and costs typically involved in launching a small service enterprise. From market research and business planning to marketing and customer management, AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva, HubSpot CRM, and free website builders empower you to build a professional and competitive business with minimal upfront investment. By following this step-by-step guide, you can confidently take your idea from concept to reality, providing a valuable service to your community and building a profitable business. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.